Hi guys, welcome to TechBase. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Microsoft news and the latest Windows 11 updates that will soon come, first of all for insiders and then for all users worldwide. Well, yesterday, Microsoft had a huge announcement that involves pretty much every Windows 11 PC. And in this video, we're going to talk about briefly everything that is new, everything that was announced, and what is Microsoft's vision for the future of Windows 11. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBase channel with notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. So as I've said, Microsoft made a huge announcement that will most likely be disliked by a lot of users, and I include myself here because the title of Microsoft's announcement is making every Windows 11 PC an AI PC. I'm not sure who thought this was a good idea for a title, but I'm pretty sure that not every Windows 11 user would want their PC to be an AI PC. But of course, leaving this behind, let's talk about what Microsoft announced. So basically, they are announcing the new Copilot and agentic experiences inside Windows 11 for all users, with new tools allowing you to interact naturally with Copilot in text or voice, and also allow Copilot to do certain actions on your PC with your permission, of course. Microsoft is basically stating throughout the article that they will do this with our permission and everything will be disabled at first, but of course, we'll see about that. Now, the main highlight of this announcement for Microsoft is the new search box. Basically, Microsoft is getting rid of the classic search box in Windows 11, and they are basically replacing it with a Copilot launcher prompt window that will allow you to type in it what you would type before to search in Windows or to do AI actions. So basically, the search box will be replaced by Copilot that will allow you to do a lot of actions. And Microsoft is also introducing the new Hey Copilot command that will summon Copilot basically, and you'll see the Copilot microphone appear on your screen along with the chime to indicate that Copilot is listening. And to end a conversation, you can say goodbye or tap X, and Copilot will end the conversation automatically after a few seconds of no interaction. And this will allow you to search for apps, and Copilot will also recommend you certain settings, apps, and so on depending on what you search. Of course, this could be pretty useful, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm not a fan of this because I want my classic search box. I don't want AI to be included in my operating system, and I'm pretty sure that Microsoft will give us a way of disabling this, and I'm pretty sure that Copilot won't be a thing automatically enabled on every computer. Also, another highlight of Microsoft's announcement is Copilot Vision on Windows, which will now be available worldwide. This will include full desktop and app sharing, highlights, full app context in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, text in, text out. Basically, Copilot will be able to analyze any content that is available on your screen. It will be able to provide insights and answer your questions, and also will even be able to give you guidance when navigating a new game. Alongside with these, Microsoft is introducing the new agentic experiences in Windows 11, basically the new ability of Copilot to do actions for you inside the operating system with your permission. And most of these new features are basically useful features for the corporate scene, not for the normal user if you ask me. Microsoft is also adding the Copilot connectors, the easy doc creation, and also the Windows settings integration, which is already available inside the operating system. Basically, whenever you type something to Copilot, for example, I want to change my wallpaper, and then press enter, you'll notice that Copilot will also provide you with a quick settings link. This is basically the Windows settings integration that Microsoft is talking about. Just a quick link that if you click on it, it will automatically open up the settings app. So not something as exciting as it sounds. Of course, Microsoft is marketing this, and it provides in their official article a lot of useful features and functions that you will be able to do with Copilot. And of course, if you want to check that out, you're going to have the official Microsoft blog post in the article below in the video's description. But this headline of making every Windows 11 PC an AI PC is for me something quite exaggerated. When I saw it first, thought it was a joke because I'm pretty sure not all users want their PC to be AI. Personally, I don't want my PC to be an AI PC. I want my PC to be a computer that is 100% used and controlled by me. I don't want AI to be listening all the time. I don't want AI to do actions for me. And hopefully Microsoft will provide us with a clear choice of doing this. And from what they're stating in their official article, this is the way they're going, at least for now. Everything will be pretty much disabled at the beginning, but we'll see more about that in the near future. And Microsoft is ending their article with securing AI on Windows 11. Basically, they're saying that you're always in control of what Copilot actions can do. You'll have visibility into what Copilot actions is doing, and also they're introducing it responsibly. But of course, this is all looking pretty shady if you ask me, because, for example, Microsoft is also bringing into discussion these sensitive informations. Just imagine Copilot starting to do something with your sensitive information information and you cannot stop it on your computer. I don't want to imagine that because that's something quite terrifying if you ask me. But Microsoft is finally stating that Copilot Actions is turned off by default and you'll be able to pause, take control, or disable it at any time. Of course, you may be saying in the comments, well, Emmy, I think all these features will only be available for Copilot Plus PCs. Well, unfortunately not. Microsoft is stating that they are trying to introduce these for all computers, not only Copilot Plus PCs. So I think this is quite worrying if you ask me. Of course, I've tried to talk about the main information here, but of course, as I've said, all the information and all the announcements made by Microsoft are in the article below in the video's description on their official Microsoft blog post, so you can check that out. And of course, we'll wait and see. In the coming months, Microsoft will receive more updates that will introduce these new features, the new Copilot search box, the new agentic features, the new Copilot vision, and so on. And please leave a comment below stating your opinion on this. Are you okay with Microsoft making your Windows 11 PC an AI PC or not? I'm looking forward to seeing your comments below. Make sure to check out the article below for more information. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBase channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBase. Until next time, have a nice day.